Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable professional mode in your Facebook. So to enable professional mode, simply click on this accounts tab at the top corner of your screen. Now inside your profile, you can see your profile, and here just besides the edit profile button, you can see these three horizontal dots. Click on these dots and here you can see this option which says turn on professional mode. Simply click on this option and it will give you an option to turn on. Simply click on the turn on button and it will give you a welcome button. Click on the next and then again next, and then you may choose your default audience. For best engagement you may choose the public option, but currently I am choosing the friends option. Then click again on next and then confirm, and since my monetization is not enabled, it is not giving me any option. So what you can do is simply go back using the phone buttons, and then once you will go to your profile, you may refresh it, and here you can see that I am now a professional account. As you can see that my professional dashboard is also visible. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.